My name is Damie Oliver. I'm a sales consultant here at Dunning Toyota. One of the things I love most about a Toyota is that they're super intuitive and easy to use even when you have a lot of technology. I'm just going to show you how to pair your phone today. You want to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and you're just going to follow the instructions and add the phone. Once you have your phone paired, in a lot of our cars you can sync navigation through that. There's a ton of different apps available, and obviously your Bluetooth connectivity in your car to talk on your phone. Now the phone is connected. You want to allow message access, that way the car will read you your text messages and it will sync all your contacts up, so once you get in your car you don't need your phone again.